So today I decided to try homemade Zobo. The last one I did, there was no orange, there was no cucumber, there was no apple. But can you please tell me why a lot of people pour so much sugar inside the Zobo? Like you get to see them add orange flavor that is in a sachet, Fanta flavor, Coke flavor. I don't even know how to mention it. But why is this so? When you're cooking fruity Zobo, a lot of fruit is in it. Why are we adding all those things? I added what was it called, cloves in this one. I wanted to add ginger, but when I got home, I discovered I didn't have ginger again. But this Zobo was so good. If I have to sell a bottle of it, I will sell it for 3,500 because it takes so
Another thing I did
fruity,
is
it
that
takes
I
so
picked some
sweet
of the
without any
oranges,
sugar
I
in it.
peeled and take the inner part, and I took watermelon, I took pineapple, I blended everything together. After blending it, I have to put it in a sieve for the juice to come out. After the juice came out, I have to pour the remaining that is in that sieve inside the Zobo again. So I just want everything to taste okay. And after that, all those pineapple, watermelon, I have to take my spoon after cooking it. I brought it out. I have to blend it again in the blender. I have to pour it inside the Zobo again. So when I tell you that this Zobo is very rich, if you taste it, it doesn't taste like there's no sugar in it. But honestly, I didn't add any sugar. It was very tasty. Please make sure that you always select this Zobo. Make sure that you select it, wash it very well before you start cooking it. At some point, I was thinking maybe these fruits, they are too much. Am I doing too much? No, I don't think I'm doing too much. I just wanted it to be very okay, very tasty, like something different, not the ones that they will tell you to go and buy Zobo. There's no sugar, it's just natural Zobo. But we know. Let me not go into it. So why would someone cook Zobo and Zobo stays for 2 months without getting spoiled? And you are telling me there's no preservative in it? Oh no, you lie. There's no preservative in Zobo and it's staying for 2 months without getting spoiled? No. There is nothing like homemade Zobo, absolutely, because you know what you're putting, you know what you're cooking. Even the people that say they are adding sugar, some of them don't usually add sugar. Do you know what they put in it? There's a thing called saccharin. I don't know if you know about it. That is what they actually add in it. You and I surviving is by the grace of God because most of the food that we consume is not really healthy for us. It's not a news that Zobo lowers blood pressure. Zobo is rich in antioxidants and has natural compounds that can help relax blood vessels, which can help reduce high blood pressure when taken moderately. Zobo also improves blood health. It is rich in iron, vitamin C, which help your body makes healthy red blood cells and prevents anemia or fatigue. Zobo boosts immune. The high vitamin C and antioxidant in Zobo helps strengthen your immune system and it helps fight infection. Please take Zobo, is important. If you've been trying to lose weight, I think you should try Zobo. Just make it a natural drink. You don't have to put all this fruit for me. Just the Zobo itself. Just the Zobo alone can make you lose weight. Zobo flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and improve digestion. Studies show that drinking Zobo can help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. So it's good for the heart if you like. Zobo may also lower blood sugar level, making it beneficial for people at risk of type 2 diabetes, but always check with your doctor first before taking it. Zobo can help reduce smooth menstrual cramp and balance hormone naturally. So if you're having a thing of imbalance hormone, it can help you maybe correct the hormone. Drinking Zobo can help you relax your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote better sleep. The antioxidants in Zobo help fight free radicals, giving the skin a healthier and glowing appearance. So start making Zobo and start taking Zobo. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comments and let me know what you feel about this Zobo. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.